我是梦幻厨房在我家的 Vivian。 今天要和大家分享的是非常水嫩可口的白斩鸡、白切鸡，而且是免剁的版本哦。如何成功做出水嫩去骨的白切鸡、白斩鸡？赶快来准备所有材料的部分。所有的配方再麻烦大家自行荧幕截图一下，详细文字食谱的连结我也会放在资讯栏当中，有需要的朋友请多加利用。因为很多朋友都私讯我很不会剁全鸡，今天用到的是去骨防仔鸡烘阿龟，也就是半土鸡的鸡腿。如果肉的部分比较厚实的话，可以划几刀，这样会更容易煮熟透。我今天用密封保温性良好的铸铁锅来煮，因为后段要用焖的方式。我们先来煮滚一锅清水，水的量要能够覆盖鸡腿。水大滚之后呢，来做一个穿3下的动作，下去6秒钟，提起来之后停3秒，一共重复3次。我称它为穿3下的动作。看你一次要煮2片去骨鸡腿，或是3片去骨鸡腿都可以。每片去骨鸡腿都要做到穿3下的动作哦。穿好的先放一旁备用。把刚刚穿烫的水再次煮到大滚，滚的过程呢可能会产生一些浮沫，看不顺眼的话可以先捞除浮沫。大概清澈就可以。再次滚沸之后，我们放入刚刚穿3下过的鸡腿。记得水呢要完全的没过鸡腿哦，然后再一次的煮到滚沸，微滚就好了，不用大滚。然后盖上锅盖，计时3分钟。这时候火力不需要调小，维持中大火。3分钟到后，我们就关火焖30分钟。这个鸡肉想要口感水嫩，就是要靠焖，焖的时间就将好30分钟，但前提锅具的保温效果要好。在焖的期间呢，我们来准备一个经典的白斩鸡酱料，蒜头切成蒜碎、蒜末，喜欢辣的朋友可以切点生辣椒。蒜碎里面呢淋上喜欢的酱油，我比较喜欢甘甜一点不死咸的酱油。30分钟到后呢，就立刻取出鸡肉。取出鸡肉之后，我们要趁热来抹盐跟抹米酒，撒上喜欢的盐，趁热涂抹一下。接着淋上些许的米酒，也是趁热涂抹均匀。最后喷或涂上些许食用油或麻油在表皮，避免表皮干燥。其实这时候就可以吃了，但如果比较喜欢吃皮 Q 的版本，可以用电风扇稍微吹凉表皮的部分。甚至喜欢吃到激冻的朋友，还可以放入冰箱冷藏室冷藏一下，就可以吃到内含激冻的鸡肉了。不过我个人还是比较喜欢温温热热的吃， Q 中带嫩。这个鸡高汤也非常好用，稍微捞除杂质浮沫，加上玉米、番茄或是喜欢的蔬菜、菇类，就是一锅非常好喝的蔬菜汤了。
Wanna be free of this heart, yeah. Wanna feel your arms around me. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Let's forget about tomorrow, yeah. Should I hide away forever? Should I close my eyes and never again hold you tight, call you mine, think about you every time? I remember that it's over, yeah. You never break, you never lie.
完全免剁的白切鸡、白斩鸡就可以轻松上桌。
I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop.
真的是 Q 中带嫩，你一定要试试看哦。
You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase, and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop, can't stop. Yeah, yeah. I always knew that this would happen. Yeah.You would find a new distraction. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit.
这里就是今天的食谱分享咯，如果喜欢别忘了按赞留言加分享，最新的食谱也欢迎订阅我的频道，更多的生活分享好物推荐欢迎加入我的 IG 跟 FB， 还有别忘了开启小铃铛才不会错过最新影片哦。耶稣爱你，我也爱你，我们下次见，拜拜。
It's almost like I can't stop, can't stop. Yeah, yeah. You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase, and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop, can't stop. Yeah, yeah.